Exploring the world doesn't have to empty your wallet. For 2024, some countries offer incredible value, allowing you to experience diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine at a fraction of the cost of other popular destinations. Let's take a look at the top 10 affordable countries to visit in 2024, each providing unique experiences without breaking the bank. 1. Vietnam. Vietnam remains one of the best destinations for budget travelers, offering mesmerizing landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cities without hefty price tags. You'll find affordable yet comfortable accommodations, with hostels in major cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, starting as low as $5 to $10 per night. Vietnamese street food is world-to-famous and budget-to-friendly. A bowl of pho or a fresh banh mi sandwich costs just $1 to $2. Local transportation is equally affordable, with buses and trains connecting popular sites like the UNESCO to listed Halong Bay, the ancient town of Hoi An, and the Mekong Delta's vast riverside villages. Vietnam also offers unique experiences that won't dent your budget. Motorbike rentals for countryside tours cost only $5 to $10 per day, and day trips from cities can be as low as $20. Plus, activities like exploring pagodas, markets, and even national parks can often be enjoyed for free or at minimal cost, making Vietnam a prime choice for affordable travel. 2. Bolivia. Bolivia offers an authentic South American experience at a fraction of the price compared to its neighbors. Known for its surreal landscapes, Bolivia's salt flats, Salar de Uyuni, the Amazon basin, and Andean mountains offer plenty of adventure on a budget. Affordable accommodations can be found for $10 to $15 per night in hostels, and local transportation costs are low. Bolivian cuisine is simple yet satisfying, with dishes like saltinas, savory pastries, and sopa de mani, peanut soup, costing around $2 to $3. Many of Bolivia's most breathtaking attractions, like the Uyuni Salt Flats and Lake Titicaca, come with entry fees that are a fraction of those in other parts of South America. The rugged Yungas Road, also known as the Death Road, offers a thrilling mountain biking experience for about $50, providing incredible views and unforgettable moments without breaking the bank. 3. India. India is a traveler's dream destination, offering rich cultural experiences at exceptionally low prices. Accommodation options are extensive, from $5 to $10 for budget hostels to luxurious hotels at affordable prices. Street food is delicious and accessible, with flavorful meals including curries, rice, and naan for as little as $2 to $5. Domestic flights, trains, and buses are cheap, allowing for convenient exploration of popular destinations such as Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, and Goa. India's sites, including the Taj Mahal, Jaipur's palaces, and Kerala's backwaters, are accessible to travelers of all budgets. India's rail network is an affordable and efficient way to explore the country's vast landscapes. A sleeper train from Delhi to Varanasi costs around $10, allowing you to cover large distances comfortably without spending too much. 4. Indonesia. Indonesia, with its 17,000 islands, offers endless exploration opportunities at affordable rates. While Bali remains popular, islands like Sumatra, Lombok, and Komodo provide similar tropical beauty without the crowds or higher prices. Hostels and budget hotels in Bali start at around $10 per night, and meals at local warungs, small eateries, are around $1 to $3. Exploring Indonesia's nature comes at minimal cost. Hike Mount Batur for sunrise, visit Ubud's rice terraces, or snorkel in crystal to clear waters around the Gili Islands, all without overspending. Activities such as temple visits and cultural performances are also low to cost, adding to Indonesia's value as a budget-to-friendly destination. 5. Egypt. Egypt offers access to some of the world's most famous historical sites for travelers on a budget. Cairo, home to the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx, provides a range of budget accommodations starting at around $10 to $15 per night. Traditional Egyptian food, like koshari and falafel, can be found for under $1 per serving, and meals at mid-to-range restaurants are around $5 to $10. You can also take Nile River cruises and tour temples in Luxor at affordable rates. Many historic sites have small entry fees, but the rich history and breathtaking architecture are well worth the cost. Egypt is one of the few destinations where budget travelers can experience ancient wonders and culture while keeping expenses low. 6. Albania. For travelers seeking affordable European destinations, Albania is a hidden gem. Its Adriatic coastline rivals that of Croatia, yet at a fraction of the price. Budget accommodations in Albania cost around $10 to $15 per night, while meals at local tavernas are around $3 to $7. Albania's capital, Tirana, offers a unique mix of Ottoman, Fascist, and Soviet-era architecture, while towns like Berat and Gjirokastër, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites, offer historic charm and views. For nature lovers, Albania's rugged mountains, rivers, and beaches provide ample opportunities for outdoor adventures like hiking, swimming, and camping, many of which can be enjoyed for free. 7. Nicaragua. Nicaragua provides the beauty of Central America without the price tags found in Costa Rica. With its pristine beaches, colonial cities, and volcanic landscapes, Nicaragua offers a blend of adventure and relaxation at a budget to friendly cost. Hostels are available for $5 to $10 per night, and local food such as vigorón, cassava, pork and cabbage, or gallo pinto, rice and beans, can be enjoyed for under $3. Explore cities like Granada and León, surf at San Juan del Sur, or go hiking on one of the country's many volcanoes. Nicaragua's national parks, like Masaya Volcano National Park, offer affordable entrance fees, making it easy to enjoy the country's natural beauty and biodiversity on a budget. 8. Georgia. Georgia is at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, offering diverse landscapes, ancient architecture, and a distinct culture all affordably. In Tbilisi, accommodations cost around $10 to $15 per night, while traditional dishes like khachapuri, cheese bread, and khinkali, dumplings, are inexpensive, usually $2 to $5 each. Georgia's extensive wine culture also adds to its appeal, with wine tastings available for just a few dollars. The country's varied landscapes include the Caucasus Mountains, the Black Sea coast, and historic sites like Oplitsiki, a cave city that dates back thousands of years. Georgia's affordable transportation options make it easy to travel across the country without overspending. 9. Morocco. Morocco provides a sensory experience through its vibrant cities, bustling souks, and desert landscapes. Budget accommodations start at $5 to $10 per night, while street food, such as tagine and couscous, is available for around $1 to $3 per meal. From exploring the historic medinas of Marrakesh and Fez, to hiking in the Atlas Mountains or camping in the Sahara, Morocco offers numerous affordable experiences. The blue city of Chefchaouen and the port city of Essaouira are also beautiful and accessible, offering unique photography opportunities and cultural immersion without high costs. 10. Turkey. Turkey's unique blend of European and Middle Eastern influences makes it an attractive, budget-to-friendly destination. Istanbul's grand mosques, bazaars, and Bosphorus Strait provide a captivating cultural experience. Budget accommodations start around $10 per night, while Turkish street food, such as doner kebabs and baklava, is delicious and affordable at around $1 to $3. Cappadocia's surreal landscapes, Pamukkale's terraces, and the ruins of Ephesus offer additional reasons to visit Turkey on a budget. Turkey's extensive bus and train network, combined with low-to-cost domestic flights, allows for easy and affordable travel throughout the country. These destinations each offer unique cultural experiences and natural wonders without overspending. In 2024, seize the opportunity to explore these budget-to-friendly locales and embark on an unforgettable adventure. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.